Yeah, hi guys and welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Welcome if you have not. Just want to do an update of Cardano. It was a few days ago on Saturday, about 4 days ago. I did a update believing there was going to be a breakout here. That's happened exactly as I thought. So I just want to do another update here because it looks like we're going to go into a bit of a pause, maybe a bit of a sideways consolidation. But we'll have to see what happens over the next couple of days. What I was looking for was a move up. Something like that. So yeah, we've got 17th of August up there, sort of roughly. We'll see what happens. Is this going to be a big saucer double top? We'll soon find out. Yeah, a couple days on the side here would be good. It'd be good to get an entry. So stay tuned. I'll do an update when I see an entry there. If we go to the 4-hour graph, previous entries are here and here, bouncing off the 4-hour moving averages. Then another one there, and there also, that's actually quite a good one, running up less than 50% retracement, making a new high, so it can also add to the position there. Okay, looks like we're going to come into some sideways consolidation here, so we'll look for the downside in next couple of days and see if we can feel confident of getting a entry. We've got Bitcoin here. We've got a double top in Bitcoin. Looks like it's going to pause here. Also, Ethereum. Ethereum is totally stretched. Fantastic strong bull run here. We have broken the last swing high here, so maybe that we can do a retracement. We'll come back and visit that in a couple of days' time. Okay, well, if you found that useful, please like and subscribe. Here we have the all crypto index. Please like and subscribe, helps my channel, and I shall be back for an update in a couple of weeks time, a couple of days time. Okay, bye for now.